Today I'm reviewing the Neewer TL96RGB, a mini RGB light wand that fits in your pocket but packs a ton of features. Whether you're filming content, shooting stills, or setting the mood, this is a must-have. What you get is pretty simple. The light wand itself, a USB-C charging cable, and a quick start guide with a cleaning cloth. It's minimal, but it's kind of the point. It's portable and ready to go. This handheld mini light stick wand contains 96 pieces of high-performance LED beads with 6 watts maximum power, 97 CRI, and 120-degree illumination angle. Neewer recommends for optimal lighting, keep it close to your subject within a 2-meter distance. The screen is simple and clear to read. The 4 buttons enable you to cycle through the different modes and brightness levels. It also has a battery indicator so you know how much juice you have left. It's super compact, about 4 inches long by 2 inches, and weighs just under 135 grams. There are 3 strong magnetic sides that make mounting on metal surfaces super easy, especially if you don't want to use a tripod. There are 3 creative light modes. The first one is FX mode. Choose from 20 fun and dramatic effects to bring your scenes to life. Some of these are more useful than others. It's up to you to determine which ones you prefer. Cycling through the special effects, some of the more fun ones are cop car, ambulance, lightning, fireworks, TV, candle, paparazzi, emergency, and high-low beam. Brightness is fully adjustable from 0% to 100% in this mode and every mode. The second mode is CCT mode. Adjust color temperature from a cool 8500 Kelvin to a warm 2500 Kelvin. As you can see, the light goes from really white to really warm. A wide range to choose from, and the lighting output is solid, up to 800 lux at half a meter. The third mode is HSI mode. Dial in any hue across the full RGB spectrum with precise control. This will give you access to an array of colors for your project with precise ease. By using this mode, you can really get many different looks or styles. It runs on a 2500 milliamp rechargeable battery, which gives you about 2 hours at 100% brightness, which I personally find solid. The unit charges via USB-C in around 2 hours. Another option is a power bank add-on, as you see here, which makes remote shooting pretty convenient. There are so many different applications for this, as well as positioning wise, whether it's using the magnetic portion, laying it down, or using the screw mount holes. I keep on trying to be creative in ways I can place this and get an instant setup for overhead shots, backlighting, or fill lighting. Now onto the pros and cons for the Neewer TL96RGB light bar. The pros are, it's super lightweight and pocket-sized, strong magnetic sides, and 20 fun effects. The cons are 2-hour battery life might not be enough for long shoots, and there's no app control like some competitors. Using the Neewer TL96RGB can completely change the look of your shots. No need for complex lighting setups or expensive gear. Just a few tweaks and you've got a vibrant, pro-level lighting in seconds. This little light goes a long way with little effort. If you're a solo creator, photographer, or just love messing with creative lighting, this little guy is worth checking out. At under $35 Canadian, it's budget-friendly and packed with features, and I'm excited to see how I'll use it next. Let me know in the comments, would you use a pocket RGB light like this? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews.